Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Hello. What do I have for you today? Again, one of my favorites, spaghetti aglio de olio. Spaghetti with garlic and oil. That's basically how simple it is. Now, this dish is very simple and very easy to make. But you know something? I make it a little bit different. I don't slice the garlic very fine and then toast it. What I do is I mash the garlic and then I just cook it very lightly because I don't want to overcook the oil nor overcook the garlic. So any way that you're going to do it, I know it's going to turn out awesome. So let's get going. Grab yourself a large pot, get the water to boil, and here I'm using durum wheat. Now if you don't want to use the white wheat, you can use whole wheat. Now for my wife and I, we're using basically half a package, and you can use more if you have a larger family, and I put in about 1 teaspoon of salt. Grab yourself a pan, and I want you to add 1/4 cup of the best olive oil that you enjoy or you like the taste. Keeping the heat on medium, I'm adding just a little touch of minced garlic just to watch the temperature. Now just as it starts to sizzle a little bit, I'm adding 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, but I'm having them minced. But if you prefer, you can have them finely sliced. Now please bring the temperature down to low and keep on stirring. And now I want you to add as much pepper as you like. As for salt, remember there is salt in the pasta water. Now it's been about 2 minutes. I want you to turn the heat off and now put it to the side. I do not want the oil overcooked. Now let's take a look at the pasta, the spaghetti. It's really going good and it is alla dente at this point. Get your pan again, put it on low and just start adding the spaghetti to the pan just like this. And if you pick up a little bit of the pasta water, don't worry, it's all good. And now just start blending it in. Here I'm using a wooden spoon instead of metal because after all I'm using Teflon here. Don't need the Teflon, but that's the plan that I had on hand. So here it is. Let's bring the camera in a little bit more to tease you and just look at this one awesome dish. If you want it to be a little bit on the stronger taste, just add more garlic. As for me, this is absolutely perfect and this is the way I like it. So all I can say now is thank you for watching this video, and once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.